Welcome to day 3 of your 7-day yoga challenge. Today we'll bring freedom, softness, and space into your spine. Sit comfortably and let your hands rest on your thigh. Take a deep breath in and slow exhale. Feel the length of your spine, the walls in your back body, and allow yourself to fully alive here. With every breath, soften the tension along your back. Inhale and exhale. Lift your left arm up and slowly lean to the right. Feel the entire left side of your body. Let your breath expand softly through your ribs. Stay for one more inhale. Exhale, back to center. Switch to the other side and explore the length of your right side. Inhale and exhale. Slowly release. Come onto your hands and knees. Inhale, open your chest into cow pose. Exhale, round your spine into cat pose, moving at your own pace. Move slowly, letting your breath guide your spine like a soft wave traveling through your body. Feel your upper back, feel middle back, your lower back, all waking up with each movement. Inhale and exhale. From hands and knees, reach your right arm underneath your left arm and lower your right shoulder to the mat. Rest the side of your head down and breathe into your upper back. Feel the gentle twist and allow the back of your shoulder to release. Stay for a few breaths. Then switch to the other side. Inhale and exhale. Bring your hips back into child pose. Let your arms relax and allow your forehead to rest on the mat. Take slow breaths into your back body. Feel your spine lengthen with every inhale and soften with every exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Slowly wake up. Come into easy pose. Sit tall and place your left hand behind you. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale to twist gently to the left. Relax your neck. Breathe into your ribs and upper back. Switch side. Slowly release. Rise to a comfortable seated position. Place your hands on your heart and take one deep breath. Notice your spine. Notice the softness you created today. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Focus on your breath. Inhale and exhale. Thank yourself for taking this time. Namaste.